His neck might be red, but listen to what he said. Wheezy 63.
Good afternoon, all in one and all. Just thought I'd throw you a quick video before I have to go back to work. Got some voice recognition stuff from my computer. What? I'm in the middle of something. I'm in the middle of something. Anyway, my computer can talk to me a little bit now. It's pretty cool, but I haven't got the hang of it yet. But I put a lot of stuff in there. It'll. What? Now, right now, I'm gonna make a video, then I'll get back to you and we'll play. Okay? Sorry, y'all. It's a little attached. Just a little attached. Shut up! What? What? Shit. This could be aggravating. I may have to buy a new program or just reset it. I don't know what you're doing. What does it look like I'm doing? I'm making a video.
Can I help?
No. I do these. You put them together.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes. God, leave me alone.
Please.
No. Sorry.
Please.
No. What are you, 3?
Please.
No.
Please.
No. Do something else.
You are so mean to me.
I am not.
Yes, you are.
I am so not mean to you.
Yes, you are.
I'm not. How? No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not. No.
I'm lonely.
How can you
I
do
need a laptop dance.
No, you remember the last time
I need a laptop
You
dance.
remember last time I took you to get a laptop dance.
It was not my
It
fault.
was your fault. It was his
It was
fault.
not my fault.
It was his fault. He got so many.
He touched me first.
She did not. She was.
She was hot.
No, she was cute.
So hot.
No, not so hot.
She was so hot.
She was not so hot. She was like this little old laptop that you just.
I think she gave me a virus.
Good. Every time you messed with that, I said, don't stick things where they don't belong, right?
Is my port supposed to look like that?
Oh, God. No. Not again. God.
It really burns when I empty my recycling bin.
I'm glad. I'm sorry, yo. I'm glad it burns like that. You had it coming.
I do not want to go.
Yeah, but we're going to go to the doctor. You know we're going. What are you going to do about it? What can you do?
I do not want to go.
Too bad. I need you. I need my stupid computer who likes laptop dances. So we're going.
Okay. But I get to drive.
You do not get to drive. You're not driving. I've got to take my computer and get it worked on. I'll get back to y'all later.